Hey, this is Venkat for venkatfin.com. If you are looking for health insurance, pure term insurance, mutual fund, early retirement plan, or any other investment plan, message me any time of the day and ask me how much is the consulting fee. Like you are doing a job to earn your living. I depend on the consulting fee. So please understand that. A very humble request, don't call me if you are not interested in paying the consulting fee. Okay, because I get many random calls. That's why I'm humbly requesting this. Anyway, Tata AIA Profit is a recently launched product. It's a very good product because Tatas are very good in mastering this, combining an insurance product with mutual fund. But you have to understand the product properly before investing, or even after investing, people do consulting with me. If you want to do that, you can always do that. Remember, because I am going to talk about mutual fund here, let me start with the disclaimer. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risk. Read all the scheme related documents carefully. Okay. And see, only if you buy from me, then I am supposed to do service to you. Okay. Because people buy this product online, they ask me for clarifying doubts. So that is why I do consulting. So understand that when you buy online, you depend only on the customer support. Anyway, now what is the advantage in consulting with me? I will tell you the product benefits properly. I don't have a no spam policy. I don't have time to follow up with you and ask you to buy the product. I will try to be transparent and ethical and offer extra layer of customer support. Now let us get into Tata AIA's Profit. Before getting to this, let us see how big the product is. The video is going to be very big because the product is very, lots of features are there in the product. Surgicas, Hospicas, Criticas, ATPD, which is the accidental total permanent disability benefit. Death benefit is there. So like that, we have to categorize the product so that we can finish the video quickly. A like to this video will be very, very helpful. Thank you so much, guys, for that. Before that, have you thought about what is the difference between this product and the insurance product offered by the health insurance company? This is a life insurance company offering a health insurance product. So what is the difference? So I explained it clearly because I don't want to cover in this video. If you want to know that, you have to understand the basic difference. Health insurance companies' money will go directly into the hospital, and this money will be like coming to you. But the difference is that this is a predetermined percentage of sum assured alone will be coming to you. So that is the difference. If you want to more clarity, then you have to speak to me only. Anyway, Tata AIA's Profit is a massive product. They offer surgical cover, daycare cover, critical illness cover, disability cover, death cover, whole life cover. And there are few things which for which you have to pay extra premium, like overseas treatment, cashless claims, and these stuff are related to, it depends upon the fund growth. Okay, so let us categorize it and see what is the most important stuff to be covered in this product. Okay, first thing, so what is the unique about this product? They are combining health insurance, health assurance plus mutual fund, which is like a part of the premium that you are paying every year is going to be funded in a mutual fund that is run by Tata AIA. Why it is happening? Because they are helping you to create a wealth for you, create a corpus for you. But is it a guaranteed return for you? No, because it is a market linked product. You have to understand it is non-guaranteed. But if you are believing in the economy of the country, then certainly some growth will be there for sure. Okay, because when I'm doing a video about this product, I have to be very clear for even layman to understand. Okay, now let us know who all can buy. Entry age is 18 to 65. Limited pay, you can pay only the premium only for 5 years. The minimum policy term is 30 years. Okay, limited premium term for 5 years, between 5 years to 30 years, or you can choose regular pay, premium paying term. Okay, now let us see the other stuff, which is what are the ingredients of Tata AIA Profit, which is like it offers you health and wellness, medical expenses is covered. It also offers an opportunity to create wealth. So life essentials is taken care by this product is what Tata AIA is promising. Okay. Now, why did I write conditions apply here? Did you see this? Because there are few features in this product for which you have to pay extra premium. And I'm not sure whether you have opted this or not. So if you have opted global cover, then you will get that. Again, this is like that. If you opted for whole life cover, it will be a whole life cover for you. Okay. And remember, I use the term non-guaranteed because whatever returns you get in mutual fund, for the layman, you have to educate them the product properly. So you have to help them understand the market risk involved in the wealth creation component of this product. Okay. Now let us see. This is a huge product, and so there are three different element, terms and conditions of these policies are applied in this product, which is like Tata AIA Smart Health is there, Tata AIA Sampurna Health is there, and Tata AIA OPD Care. All these products combine to create Tata AIA Profit. Got it? So firstly, let us see what is the first benefit. If you want to choose a whole life cover, you will get whole life cover in this product, or whichever the policy term you have taken. Within that policy term, if the death of the policy holder happens, then they will give the life cover within that policy term. Then the other benefit, this is the most important benefit in Tata AIA's Profit. What is it? Is called ATPD. What is ATPD? Accidental, total, permanent disability. So here, it is not fracture. If it is fracture, then it will be curable. Correct? Let's say someone is meeting with a motor accident, then they get total permanent disability. Then only this will be triggered. It will be a kind of lump sum payout. Okay, this is the first benefit. Next, there is a surgical cover. Surgical benefit. So 133 surgeries. For each of the surgeries, whatever sum assured you have taken for surgicals, a percentage of sum assured will be provided to you for that 133 surgeries. Then there is something called day care treatment. What is day care treatment? You are in the hospital only for less than a day, but then also there is a procedure which is being happening. So that is called day care. So 136 day care procedures is also covered. Now, so what are all covered in the surgical cash, which is like surgery expenses, admission, diagnostics, ambulance, doctor's fee. But you have to be carefully understanding this. They will give a percentage of sum assured that you have taken. For example, they also say that maximum surgicals you can take is up to 10 lakhs per annum. So every year the surgicals sum assured 10 lakhs will be automatically recharged. So every year the surgicals cover maximum, if you are taking for 10 lakhs, it will be automatically recharged. But there is something called restoration benefit. What is restoration benefit? Let's say your surgicals is only 5 lakhs that you have taken. Okay. And you are getting admitted in the hospital in one particular year, and the 5 lakhs is already done. It's expired. Again, the next 2 months later, the same year getting admitted, again there's a 4 lakh charge, but already 5 lakhs is expired. Your sum assured is only 5 lakhs, but you don't have to worry. If you are paying extra premium and taken this restoration benefit also, that sum assured will again repeat for the same year. Okay. Now that in case if you are never using that surgical benefit at all, if the policy holder is above 85 and they pass away, then that surgical sum assured is given as death benefit. And here the difference between the health insurance and the life insurance company's health solution is that here you don't need original copies of the hospital receipts and discharge summary. Even the photocopy is enough. I hope you got it. Now let us go to the other stuff. I told you there is a difference between health insurance product and this product, which is like here in the surgicals, both these ailments are heart related issues. For that, the doctors are doing the surgery. But here for this treatment, 100% of sum assured is given. And for let's say stent implementation, 50% of sum assured is given. Total knee replacement, you spend whatever you want to spend. That is different. But out of what sum assured you have taken in this product, 50% of sum assured will be given to you. So that is the thing you have to understand. Surgicals is a beneficial product, but they are offering a percentage of the sum assured you have taken in surgicals. Okay, for each and any ailment you have. Okay, next we will go to other stuff, which is like, for example, what if this surgery that I am going through is unlisted? It is not already listed according to Tata AIA. So 10% of sum assured is provided. Okay. Now let us go to the other part. Okay, this is a very clear explanation of how the surgicals actually works. See, for example, coronary artery bypass. For that 100% payout is given. Artery valve repair 75% is given, and any other issues in other surgeries, unlisted surgeries, 10% payout given. Cataract, eye cataract or chemotherapy, up to 50,000 is given. So basically, this is how the surgery cash works. Now let us get into the other most important component of this product, which is critical illness cover. It is called Criticash, and it is really surprising. Tata AIA is giving cover for 57 critical illness. Okay, what is critical illness cover? Let's say a person is getting stroke or they are getting a heart attack or whatever it is. The moment that happens, you send the discharge summary or the medical report to Tata AIA. They will, whatever sum assured you have taken for critical illness, a percentage will be given. So, and here also percentage actually works here. Okay, for example, and here there is an important point you have to understand. By default, a person is supposed to survive at least 7 days. Let's say a person has stroke, they are rushing to hospital, and if they are surviving for more than 7 days only, the critical cash cover will be triggered. But if you are ready to pay extra premium, you will get 0 survival period. Okay, if you are paying extra premium and taking the 0 survival period for critical cash cover, then you don't have to worry that sum assured. Even if that person passes away, as soon as the stroke or heart attack comes, then also critical cash sum assured will be provided to your family, your nominees. And here, see, I told you the percentage issue. Also the percentage system is also implemented in Criticash. Let's say someone has cancer or major organ or bone marrow transplant, sum assured is paid out in 150%. Let's say they have heart attack or major head trauma, Parkinson's disease, 100% payout. And all other cardiac arrest, early stage cancer, and all only 25% payout. I hope you are able to understand how Criticash works. Now let us get into the other thing. As I told you earlier, this global cover and all, we cannot simply say just like that. Only if you have paid extra premium for that global cover, like overseas term booster, that will be applicable for you. Okay. Now let us see the critical illness cover. As I told you, here also the percentage depends upon what particular critical illness you get. For example, for catastrophic diseases, you get 150% of sum assured. Other major issues, sometimes 100% of sum assured. Some others only 25% of sum assured. Okay. Now, hospital cash per day. This is called hospital cash cover. Cash cover. What is it? For example, let's say you are going to, a person is admitted to the hospital. They are in the hospital for 7 days or 10 days or 20 days. More than 24 hours admission. Okay. So every single day is counted. For the number of days you are staying in the hospital, a particular amount is given. For example, the minimum it is 2,500 per day. You are choosing like that. And how many days per year you need the hospicash. You can choose 15 days or 30 days or 60 days or 90 days, whatever. Okay. And the minimum is 2,500. Maximum you can choose 20,000 per day. And the same thing, one more advantage is that, let's say instead of being in your single private AC room or the room, you are in the ICU, then this hospital cash doubles. Instead of, if you have taken only 2,000 per day in the scheme, and a person is in the ICU, then the ICU hospital per day will be double, which is like 5,000 per day. Okay, you got it. Now we will get into other, this diagrammatic explanation for hospicash cover. So up to 20K, you can take for daily hospitalization benefit. If it is going to be ICU admission, then you get 40 up to 40K. And there is another thing called repercussion, which is, let's say you are in the hospital for more than 7 days, then you get 5% of the sum assured. So this is how hospicare works. Now let us get into the most interesting part, which is, as I told you, Tata AIA team has mastered this art of combining a health insurance product and mutual fund combination, kind of wealth creation part. The funds are performing very well now, but a very humble request. The problem with speaking in YouTube is that we never know whoever, many people in various walks of life see this. They don't understand the wealth creation part properly, because when it is a equity linked product, which is a market linked product, you have to understand wealth creation will happen, but certainly there is also a non-guaranteed stuff here. Because if the country's economy is good, if the fund is performing well, wealth creation part is good. If it is not, it is not good. Okay. So again, there is another thing they are saying. When the wealth creation happens, you can withdraw the fund for any purpose. But if they are able to prove that it was only withdrawn for your family members or your hospital expenses, healthcare expenses, then it is not taxable. But if you are withdrawing for other purposes, it is taxable. For example, you can use for my dental treatment, physiotherapy, only if the fund grows. You have to understand the terms and conditions, because when I'm making a video on YouTube, I have to be very clear about, I have to speak about it ethically. Based on, if your fund is growing, then you can use it for medical purposes, okay, or any other purposes as per your interest. OPD coverage is an outpatient treatment cover. For example, here I have a responsibility to say, they are offering lots of services in the OPD, which is like outpatient consultations, physiotherapy sessions, pharmacy, diagnostic cover, everything. But see, even if you buy the comprehensive product in the base, I will suggest go for OPD basic or OPD standard. I will only give my customers OPD basic because when I'm issuing the product to the customers, in the health insurance product itself, the problem is that people will say that I've never used the OPD product, but then also premium has increased. So, and to and fro, there will be lots of misunderstanding between you and the customer. So, OPD, choose, my personal opinion is choose OPD basic, which is enough for you. But if you are going for advanced, there are other facilities. You get doctor specialties, doctor consultation is reimbursed. Chronic care management, 15% discount on pharmacy, physiotherapy up to 12 times, wellness, emotional wellness treatment. But that comes under advanced or comprehensive OPD. But I always recommend OPD basic for my clients, because in OPD you have to understand properly the terms and conditions. Okay. Now let us see the waiting period. Of course, this is almost like though the life insurance company like Tata AIA is giving, there will be some medical checkup mandatory for some people who don't have standard health. Okay, for example, Hospicas has 30-day waiting period. Surgicas has 30-day waiting period. Criticas sometimes up to 6-month waiting period is there to get qualified, to be eligible for a criticas cover. OPD care up to 30 days waiting period. And if you have pre-existing disease, let's say you have already done minor surgery, give the discharge summary to them. Whether they issue the policy or not, you be very clear, transparent and ethical. Give the discharge summary. See, pass, this is the surgery I've done, or I have diabetes, I have BP, I have cholesterol. Tell that properly and give. And sometimes if this PED, pre-existing disease is clearly communicated, it will have 48-month, up to 48-month waiting period. After that only for that PED you will get cover. Okay, you have to understand properly. For example, so how do you explain this profit properly? Okay, let's imagine it will not happen to you, but let's take for example let us use the common term like heart attack. Someone who's 35 years old, they are having this product Profit. Okay, Surgicas is eligible because whatever treatment they are taking in the hospital, will they pay the entire amount that expenses in the hospital? No. The Surgicas sum assured will be triggered. And for heart attack, what percentage of Surgicas sum assured is eligible, that will be given to directly to your bank account. Okay. Criticas is eligible because it is heart attack is a critical illness. If you have survived more than 7 days, surely critical cash sum assured also will be eligible. It will be given to you. And Hospicas, because how many, let's imagine you are doing this heart surgeries, they are asking you to put have a stent. Then let's say it's taking 1 week, 10 days. That for every day you have 5,000 rupees in Hospicas. So 10 into 5,000, it's 50,000 rupees you'll be getting. Then OPD care, after that virtual consultation, whatever. And apart from that, the amount of a part of your premium is invested in the mutual fund run by Tata AIA, that is helping you in the wealth creation. So all these facilities are there, but I should use the word terms and conditions apply. Because the problem is that people must not use me as someone who has recommended the product. I am explaining you the product features, because insurance is a service industry. Whoever you are buying the product is responsible, and eventually only the company is responsible. Okay, understand that. Okay, and who can buy this product? Minimum income should be 2 lakh. If a husband is taking product, the wife doesn't need income proof, age proof, standard age proof. Okay. ATPD cover from basic 50 lakh sum assured you can get maximum based on if your income is really good, then up to ATPD cover you can get up to 5 crores maximum. And there are other discounts. We have to speak about discounts in this country. A smart lady discount is there for women. And they charge a mortality fees, these life insurance companies, premium allocation charges, because they are basically managing the fund for you. So that will be returned from the 11th year. That is for as units. Okay, you have to understand that. And even the OPD cover is minus from your as units, I believe. Okay, that is it. So that is it, guys. And okay, medical underwriting is there. If they want you to go through medical treatment, ethically tell them all your medical complication, then only buy the product. It's okay if they are not giving you, but educate yourself, decide to buy, and then only buy these kind of products. Because this is a very complicated product from Tata AIA. One positive side is that they have mastered the art of giving a health cover or a life cover along with a mutual fund. ULIP plan. They have very good fund managers. But mutual fund investments are subject to market risk, right? You have to understand it is a non-guaranteed wealth creation also. But if you believe in the economy of India, if you believe the country's economy is going to grow, certainly this is a good product. But case to case it will change. When I make a YouTube video, people will see my video, then they will go and buy online, they will go from another advisor. They will not understand whether I'm not speaking about this product, whether any product, whether it is suitable for me or not. And if you want to do your basic financial planning for your family, message me any time of the day. A humble request once again, ask me how much is the consulting fee. This video will be translated in many languages. So, but my communication, I am comfortable with. I can understand Hindi. I'm good at English. Thank you so much, and good luck to you.